alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, all the viewers? I hope you are doing well at home. Today, we are going to look at the etiquette of sleeping in Islam. The IRK subject for grade 3 is the etiquette of sleeping in Islam. Number 1, to perform ablution before sleeping. Performing ablution before sleeping. I hope it's taken. Performing ablution before sleeping. Because whenever we perform ablution before we sleep, Almighty Allah will appoint an angel to be our guard till the daybreak. Number 2, to observe Salatul Isha before sleeping. Number 3, say your askar before sleeping. To observe Salatul Isha is advisable, so we will not sleep off and forget the Isha prayer. And again, saying our askar like Bismika Allahumma hamutu wa ahya. This is askar. And again, we can include Kul huwallahu ahad, Kul a'udhu birabbil falaq, Kul a'udhu birabbin nas, and rub all our body with our hand 3 times. I hope this one is taken also. Number 4, we should sleep with the right side. Sleeping with the right side. And again, sleep with the right and place your right hand under your cheek like this by the time you are going to start the sleeping. This is advisable by the Prophet. And again, do not sleep on your stomach. Do not sleep on your stomach. When you start your sleeping with your right hand under your cheek, so after some time you may turn to the left or with the back, but do not sleep with your stomach. This is advisable by the Prophet. And again, do not sleep while cooking. When you are cooking, do not sleep at that time, to be at the safe side. Because if you forget, this cooking may cause fire break in the house. So I hope it's taken. Again, brush your teeth before sleeping. Brush your teeth before sleeping. Even though this is advisable by the dentist also, that we should be brushing our teeth in the morning and evening. So Islam also supports this, that we should brush our teeth before sleeping. And put off the light. All the lights, the one in the parlor, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, you should put everything off. So when you put off the light, so we are going to be at the safe side. Nobody will be able to see us inside our room. So this is advised by the Prophet. These are the ways and manners that Muslims should conduct is sleeping, which we call etiquette of sleeping in Islam. I hope it's taken. I hope everything is taken. Inshallah, we are going to meet again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah make it easy for all of us.